We're here at the Los Angeles Central Library. Wow, look at this cab. I believe these are made to look older than they really are, but wow, they are nice. Oh my fucking god. That is literally beautiful. This is why I love buildings so much. Very nice. Let's take another ride. These are like completely custom installations. Interesting how the arrow flashes. You know, we'll end it up here.